Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the breadcrumb that matches your goal. Panko for crunch, fresh for tenderness. Once chosen, make breadcrumbs by drying or toasting slices until brittle, then pulse in a food processor. This controls particle size and moisture. Make sure to measure. Use 1 cup for a single coating or up to 2 cups for multiple pieces. These steps set texture and adhesion, so take them now to avoid soggy or uneven crusts later. You move on to binding and coating. Whisk and egg wash. 1 egg with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or water, because protein helps crumbs adhere. Once done, dredge pieces in flour to dry the surface, dip into the egg wash, then press into 0. 5 1-cup breadcrumbs per piece depending on thickness. Pressing builds a compact crust. After coating, make sure to rest the pieces for 10 to 15 minutes so the crust bonds and won't fall off during cooking. You finish by choosing the right cooking method. Fry at 350 degrees F for deep crisp, bake at 400 degrees F for hands-off browning, or air fry for similar results with less oil. Once done, transfer to a rack to prevent steam sogging the crust, season immediately, and rest 3 to 5 minutes so juices redistribute. If things go wrong, like a soggy crust, make sure to increase cooking heat, dry breadcrumbs more thoroughly next time, and avoid overcrowding the pan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.